Obviously, we have a lot to do. Feral girl nightstand. Not easy. This is literally a full body workout. It's just an endless cycle, really. But let's build this baby. Like, why is it that much work? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Bailey, and today I'm sounding a little weird, if you can't tell. Sounding a little nasally, kind of sounding like a dude, and that's because I've been sick for the past week. I get sick all of the time, but honestly, this one was pretty bad. I am feeling a lot better. I'm just having some like lingering congestion effects, and my ear is clogged, and that's kind of messing with me. But since I'm finally feeling better, I thought, what better way to get myself kind of back into my normal routine of like being productive and stuff than to fully deep clean my room and decorate for Christmas. The last 2 years, I have truly accumulated so many different Christmas decorations and stuff for my room that this year I don't even feel like I need to go out and buy anything, which is good because we're having, what's it called? A minimalist Christmas? No. The opposite of like consumerism. I don't know. I don't need to just go buy stuff to buy stuff. That's basically what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna start by putting my hair up because I feel like I can never focus on anything unless my hair is up for some reason. Dude, my hair is like too long for claw clips now. It pisses me off. It literally just looks like I have a ponytail in. I'm also really hot, and every time I clean my room, I sweat my balls off because I just get so hot. So I'm taking this sweatshirt off, and I need to apply some deodorant. This is the native deodorant in the coconut and vanilla scent, and I honestly think coconut and vanilla might be my new favorite native scent. What's actually super funny is today's video is sponsored by Native. I've personally been using Native for years. It's grown to be one of my favorite body care brands. With Native's bestseller pack, they make it super easy to enjoy every single part of your shower routine, starting with body wash. They have the normal deodorant, they have the deodorant and body spray, which this stuff is groundbreaking. I'm so pissed that I didn't discover this sooner. Plus, their products are clean, simple, effective, and will keep you smelling beautiful and fresh all day. Having this many deodorants in my hand at once is kind of ridiculous, but I wanted to share with you the new scents that I've gotten. The coconut and vanilla, black oak and amber, blackberry and green tea. Also, I wanted to get like a super festive holiday scent, so I went with the spiked eggnog, which sounds like it would smell weird, but I promise it doesn't. It smells so good. They literally have so many different scents. Like any scent you could think of, they have it. They have sweeter scents, they have more earthy scents, they have like I'm not a scent connoisseur. Fruity, salty, any scent that you could think of, they have it. And they also have limited edition scents that launch all the time, and they always smell so good. These are the classic deodorants, and they provide up to 72 hours of odor protection, and they're also aluminum and paraben free. This is the body wash. It's made from naturally derived ingredients to help cleanse your skin. This leaves your skin feeling so soft and moisturized. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like I don't need to use a lotion after I get out of the shower because of how this is moisturizing. And then we have the deodorant and body spray, which, like I said, I wish I had discovered this sooner. I seriously love it. The application is super easy. You just spray it on, and it's literally powered by air. It's like a cool mist that dries on contact, and it literally provides instant odor protection. But my favorite part about it is that it doubles as a body spray. You can literally put it wherever you want. Like I mentioned, I got the spiked eggnog scent because I wanted something festive for the holidays, but their holiday collection has so many other scents too, like candy cane, there's fresh mistletoe, there's like sugar cookie, like so many different ones. If you guys are interested in trying out Native starter pack, you guys can click the first link in the description box and use my code Dedrick to get all 3 of these products for not $36. It's originally $36, but if you use my code, you can get them all for $24. That's 33% off, and that is a fire deal if you ask me. Okay, we can get into cleaning my room, but I just had to share with you guys how I stay smelling so good all of the time. Obviously, we have a lot to do. I'm gonna start by cleaning off my vanity and making it look a little bit more organized. It may look clean now that I took everything off of it, but you guys should see the layer of dust that is laying on here. Literally, how is it that dusty? So here is my, what is it called? Like a feral girl nightstand, or like a, what is the word for that? Like I mentioned, I've been sick, so over here on my nightstand, I have so many different like cold and flu medicine. I have antibiotics. I have Vicks Vapor Rub. I've got it all. Now I have all these clothes. They look dirty because they're just on the floor, but they're actually clean. I don't know why I dumped them out of my hamper because I actually have a new technique for putting my clothes away. I used to dump them all on the floor and then like fold them all and like put them all on hangers and then put them away. But I've noticed that if I just bring my hamper over to my closet and put stuff away as I take it out, it saves a lot of time. It's literally all hoodies and sweatpants because that's all I've worn for the last 2 weeks of my life. I have all of these like bras and underwear that I'm getting rid of. Like this bra is so cute, but it's way too small on me. But for the time being, I'm gonna put all of this where the rest of my, you know, donation clothes and clothes that I'm getting rid of go. I feel a little weird showing you my bra and underwear drawer, but I also need to share how organized this thing is now. It used to be a literal mess. Like my underwear would just be thrown in here. Like I still have these organization compartments, but for the last probably like 6 months, it's just been like all my underwear thrown in there. Like my bras look so organized. I have like bralettes and sports bras back here, and then I have like sticky bras and boob tape and stuff. Okay, my room looks a lot cleaner than it did before. I still have to make my bed and stuff, but I think I'm going to start going and getting all of my Christmas decorations. Got my Christmas tree. More Christmas trees. I forgot how much stuff I have. I don't know where my red ornaments are. Found them. Okay, I believe this is everything, and I really do not know where to start. I guess this part will be easy. Not easy. Oh, I hate this part. Oh, guys. Oh. Alright, that works. This is literally a full body workout. Okay, curtains are up. I'm gonna move on to my actual least favorite part. The curtains are bad, but they're not that bad. The shelves suck. I have to take everything off and then wipe everything down and then put new stuff on the shelves, and it's a lot. Maybe I could, ooh. Okay, I'll leave that there. My YouTube plaque, do we keep this up? It kind of matches like the silver theme. Maybe I'll leave it. Okay, so a little fun fact about me, I never remember where any of these decorations go, but thank God I have been filming every second of my life for the last 7 years, because I just go to last year's decorate for Christmas with me, and I can see where everything goes. And guess how I decorated my room last year? I watched the previous video that I made. It's just an endless cycle, really. Like, how do normal people remember where everything goes? My mom has so many different decorations for every single season and holiday that you could ever think of, and I'm so confused how she remembers where everything goes each year. Life hack, deer goes here, this tree goes here. Makes it so much easier. These go up here with my red basket here. Do I put this out or no? It doesn't really match. I'm low-key not going to. I got this tree last year. If you guys watched my decorating for Christmas with me video last year, I struggled to put this up so bad because I had never built a tree by myself before. And also my parents have always just kept our trees assembled and just like carried them down to the basement and put them somewhere. So I never experienced like a completely like, it's gonna look so lifeless until I fluff it out, and last year it was so funny watching me like struggle with that. But let's build this baby. Oh, I'm gonna have to vacuum so hard. Almost there. Okay, that took me way too long to get all of the branches like separated and fluffed and stuff. Literally took so long. Like, why is it that much work? Anyways, I'm going to decorate it now, and hopefully that goes a little bit faster and smoother. Okay, next step is transferring all of my like sunglasses. This is honestly just like I always say drunk instead of junk basket. There's just like a bunch of random stuff. I put my AirPods in here, but I'm gonna transfer it all to this red one. Okay, now it's time to make my bed with my new red throw blankets, my new pillows. Okay, honestly, I don't love it. There's one final step, and it's putting white and red clothing on my clothing rack. I'm not sure when I started doing this, but for different seasons, I'll put different colored clothing. I know a lot of people like switch out like the actual type of clothing. Like obviously in the summer, they're gonna have like summery pieces, and in the winter, they're gonna have like, you know, pieces for cold weather. But I don't go by that. I go by the color and like the aesthetic that it brings. So I go to my closet, and I literally just find anything red. I don't really have that many red tops, so I hang this sweatshirt. Here we go. Some white sweatery things. I feel like I need one more red thing, but the only other red thing that I have is like this super thin shirt. So I honestly might hang one of my hoodies, like this one. This is like a Valentine's Day Nike embroidery thing. There we go. We have some nice red and white brought into the room over there. I just think it adds a nice little touch. But anyways, I think my room is pretty much cleaned and decorated. I do want to vacuum because I have little like tree particles all over my room, but I figured that's probably pretty boring and you guys don't care to see that. So I'm gonna end the video off. Oh, I forgot to put my red basket up here. There we go. So as a little room overview, we have my vanity here. I don't really do anything to my vanity, but it is clean and more organized. And then we have my Christmas tree. Here's how she turned out. It looks the exact same as last year, but she's adorable. I have some more Christmas stuff there. I replaced that plant with this little thing. Obviously my clothing rack, which I just showed you. I do white curtains instead of my orange ones, just because if I had orange curtains in here, it would completely ruin this entire aesthetic. Same with the rug. I have an orange rug and I replaced it for this white one. Here's what my bed looks like. I'm honestly not happy with it. I hate my comforter. It's not even a comforter, honestly. I'm pretty positive it's like a duvet insert, and it's like not soft and comfy. It's pretty like thin. I mean, it's not uncomfortable. It's just I want like a really big, fluffy, thick one, and I'm gonna ask for one for Christmas. And I honestly might go find new pillows because I don't love those, but whatever, that's how it looks for now. I don't change anything up here. I was actually thinking, I saw my friend Berkeley, she just posted like a snap story the other day, and she was showing how she bought wrapping paper and then like wrapped the picture frames in her room. So I honestly might do that, and if I do decide to do that, I'll make sure to include it in some sort of vlog that I do in the upcoming in the foreseeable future. That's not, I don't know, because just like the rugs and the curtains, I feel like this kind of ruins the vibe, and I think it would be so cute to wrap the picture frames like presents. I just don't have any wrapping paper right now, so I can't do that. Okay guys, I just edited this whole video and I'm about to export it and upload it, but I wanted to show you that I already wrapped my pictures. A few days ago, me and my boyfriend were bored, and I was like, do you want to go to the store and buy wrapping paper with me so I can wrap these? And this is how it turned out. I think it's cute. I kind of want to add red bows to these ones just to like really make them look like presents, but definitely recommend. It was super easy, fun, great. Love it. Nightstand. I used to put like candles and stuff on it, but I like to keep that as clear as possible because stuff always just be building up. And then over here we have, we have me right there. Here's what my bookshelf looks like. Again, the exact same as last year. I also didn't do anything with that. Same with vacuuming. That's pretty boring, and I don't feel like you guys are gonna want to see that. But yeah, here is my room all decorated for Christmas. This is making me happy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love cleaning my room and like organizing videos, and then also like decorating for Christmas. Although it's kind of a pain, once it's done, I'm so happy that I do it. Like, I don't know, I can't imagine not decorating my room for Christmas now. It just changes the whole vibe in here, and it makes me happy. So yeah, I will say I was sweating a lot during that process of cleaning and carrying stuff back and forth, and you know, carrying heavy boxes, bringing everything in here. I was sweating during all of that, and I do not smell a drop of anything bad. I still smell like coconut and vanilla. So again, if you guys are interested in trying out Native. Okay, also, I've had this claw clip in since I put it in. Usually claw clips do not last in my hair. For some reason, this has held so well. Like, it is in there. These metal claw clips are good. Anyways, again, if you guys are interested in trying out Native starter pack, you guys can click the first link in the description box and use my code Dedrick to get the starter pack for $24 instead of $36. It's a great deal. I promise you, there is a scent for every single person, and I love matching my scents. Like, I love having a body wash that smells the same as my deodorant and my lotion. Like, I love that, and you can do that with Native, so that's another reason why I love them. All right, it's time to say goodbye. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye-bye.